Hey, let me show you the quick unboxing of the HUAWEI Band 9. And first of all, let's take a look for some top features. As you can see at the back, we can find information about the NFC, about the water resistance. So here we got the IP rating 68. We've got also the AMOLED screen, but for some reason I cannot understand other stuff because for some reason it actually comes with the Chinese language. That's weird. But yeah, let's go inside and let's see what we can find in the box. So I'm in this the default box accessories. There we go. And that's how our band looks. It actually comes with this foil at the screen. We have to for sure remove it to use our device, so let's do this right now. Now that's how the screen looks. On the right side we've got the button, so when we click and hold it, probably we are going to turn on the device. Let's see if it works. Yeah, there we go. We've got Huawei logo on the screen. And this band actually feels really close to the Apple Watch. I mean, the feeling is actually the same. It's pretty to put it on. At the bottom we can actually find the sensor, the two pins for the charger, and with these buttons we can actually remove the straps. Now we've got the languages list, but let's take a look inside what we can also find in the box. So we have to take it off, and right here we can find the it's USB-A cable. That's actually the charger. And also we can find the user manual probably. Yeah, but it's in the Chinese. But if you wonder actually how to connect this into the smartphone, you will have to get the Huawei Health application. So for example, you can get it by scanning this QR code, or simply go into the Play Store, App Store, or by using the browser and download the APK files. And this is it for this video, the quick unboxing of the HUAWEI Band 9. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.